Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Code Academy's got some really great tools, highly recommend it. And you see that they provide some feedback when you're writing the code. They don't tell you that this is Python 2.7. Keep that in mind. It's 2.x something. It's not Python 3. Probably doesn't mean that much to most people, but it means something to me. Anyway, this error message is very useful, and I want the same thing when I'm looking at code found on Ipython. I'm using Ipython right here. This is Ipython dev. Let's see if I can get it to work. Okay, and I've just put in a command that it didn't like. And let me see if I can, oh, I've lost the command. Let's see if I can bring that up elsewhere. Basic output. So, no, that wasn't what I was looking for. Sorry. Animations, this is. Okay, so this one works. And you can see, watch, the numbers will progress. That's all well and good. I don't have cluster running, so it's not going to work. But this one here, Pylab inline. Now when I try to run this, it's going to give me an error. And I want to be able to, oh, it did it again. Okay, so what happens with this tool, with the markup, is that it only goes to the top page. All right, so that's not going to work. Cancel this. Original page. Brings me back here. Okay, so I scroll down and I'll show you the error. Shift Enter. Right here. How do I control this error message? If I wanted to write a tutorial, for example, and there is some sort of error capturing or error correction or error try and escape. I don't know how to structure this question, but I would like to be able to supply messages within the notebook if there is a mistake made in the input. For example, as opposed to just saying Pylab may not be installed. Is it installed on the system? I would modify this and say, to install matplotlib blah 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 or Pylab, please go to URL XYZ. That's more informative. But anyway, check out Code Academy. Where to go? Check out Code Academy. They've got some really good applications. They keep improving constantly. As well, Ipython continues to improve. So they're both very good projects. Well worth your time. Thank you for your support. And if you have the answer to how I can control these error messages in Ipython Notebook, please let me know. Thank you and happy computing.